Hey guys, I'll be teaching you how to make this natural hair growth deep conditioner. Make sure you like this video, follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, and make sure you subscribe. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is coconut oil. Coconut oil is so good for your hair. It stimulates hair growth. It helps to prevent split ends and dead ends. Alright, next you're going to be using avocado oil. This also penetrates the hair shaft, which also helps to moisturize your hair. Then we have olive oil. This promotes hair growth. It gives your hair shine. And we're going to be using honey as well. Honey is a humectant. It attracts moisture to your hair, leaving your hair super moisturized. I love honey. I always endeavor to put it in every deep conditioner that I make. It's amazing. It's so bomb.com. Next, we're going to be using fenugreek, and this helps restore damaged hair, and it also promotes hair growth, and it has amazing slip, guys, for detangling. Next, you're going to need a ripe banana, and this moisturizes and conditions the hair, improves elasticity. Next, we'll be using aloe vera. This is a great conditioner, and it also helps with blood circulation and promotes hair growth. So what you're going to do is scoop the aloe vera gel like so, as you can see in the video. Just scoop it. As I'm scooping it, I'm placing it in the blender. It's going to act as the base of the deep conditioner. Next, you want to get your ripe bananas, dice it into small chunks like so, and also place it with the aloe vera in the blender. Next, I'm taking this cup and I'm going to fill it with honey. I'm also applying that, pouring that in the blender. Guys, I told you I love honey. Like, one was not enough, as you can see. Next, you're going to take olive oil as well. Pour that in there like so. Next, I'm using avocado oil. I'm just putting some pumps and I'm pouring that in there. You can use as many oils as you want. And then I'm putting fenugreek. I'm going to be using 2 spoons of fenugreek powder. Finally, I'm going to be adding coconut oil. I didn't get the footage of that, but yeah, I added coconut oil. Now I'm just blending everything, blending until it's smooth consistency. I need to invest in a bullet blender. So you want to take a bowl and a sieve and pour the conditioner in there, because banana has particles and the fenugreek also has particles. So you do not, trust me, I repeat, you do not want to have these particles on your hair. So ensure and endeavor that you sieve it all out. So guys, I'm done sieving it. As you can see, it's smooth and it's application time. Let's go. This deep conditioner has amazing slip thanks to the fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is slimy in nature. It's kind of like okra or aloe vera, so it really helps to detangle the hair. Normally Ayurvedic powders don't have that much slip, although they have amazing benefits, but because of fenugreek, I have slip in this deep conditioner. As you can see, I'm applying the deep conditioner from the roots to the ends of my hair like so. You want to get it on your ends, especially because that's the oldest part of your hair and it needs the most love. Just applying it. Sorry guys, I don't know who I think I am, and I have a cold. I don't know if you can tell in my voice. Kind of sounds like so sexy. Wow, I'm gonna shut up now. So I'm just applying it and twisting my hair in section so it's out of my face. Apply and detangle, apply and detangle. you can see, it's also making my curls pop. Yup. So I'm done applying it. This is what the hair looks like after application. And I'm just going to put a heating cap on my hair and leave it on for my hair for just 1 hour and rinse my hair and moisturize. Same old, same old. Alright, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Till next time, bye.